Teachers around the world are discovering the power and productivity of Microsoft's OneNote as a way of organising their teaching, and FXDraw is an ideal tool for helping mathematics teachers build their course materials. This video shows you how to use FXDraw to create graphics for OneNote on a Windows machine. So let's create a graphic for this page. First we'll change to FXDraw and we'll push the Create New Graphics button. And we'll use the tools provided to draw our graphic. We'll keep it simple this time. Once we've completed our graphic, push the green check mark to copy our graphic and return to OneNote, where we can simply paste the graphic in. Don't forget, when you're using FXDraw, you can use the new FX Sketch feature, which allows you, get rid of the old graphic, it allows you to draw freehand, and FX Sketch will convert that into a professional level graphics output that you can use just like you've used any FXDraw image. So again, we push the green check mark, return to OneNote and paste our image in. Now we need to be able to edit an existing FXDraw graphic from OneNote. So we select the graphic we're interested in, right click and copy it to the clipboard, change to FXDraw, and FXDraw will quickly load it from its internal database. We can do that from a different graphic. So let's try this one. Again, we copy it to the clipboard, change to FXDraw, and the graphic is immediately loaded. Sometimes the graphic might have been drawn by somebody else, like these ones. When I copy this one to the clipboard and change to FXDraw, FXDraw will take a little longer to load our graphic. We can now edit our graphic and put a new copy into OneNote. Don't forget FXDraw's history feature, which allows us to look at old graphics that we've created in chronological order. So here's one I created a couple of days ago, and again the green check mark allows me to quickly move back to OneNote and paste that graphic directly into my OneNote. And that is really all there is to using FXDraw, and indeed FXGraph or FXStat, on a Windows machine when you want to put the graphics into OneNote.